Iricha, the symbol of love and unity. It is Iricha, the symbol of love and unity. It is where the culture of Oromo is explored. The Thanksgiving Day by the Oromo community witnesses a large number of Oromo people coming together to thank God for the blessings and the mercies they have received throughout the previous year. Baga ayana Irichatin isiningahe. Iricha, the There is a quote from a book and it goes like this. Think you are weak, think you will lose, think you lack what it takes, think you are second class, think this way and you are doomed to mediocrity. There is a... Well, I meant data. The dual nature of AI's impact. Hello everyone.
مشواري قريب والله لحق حبيب مشواري قريب والله لحق حبيب وديني له سريع سايق الركشة قبل الشمس ما تغيب سايق الركشة.
Being a human, how beautiful it is to stay silent when someone is expecting you to be enraged with them, and how beautiful it is to laugh when someone is expecting you to shed tears. Africa Day is observed annually on... It's right before I fall asleep. I will keep thinking about humanity. While I lay in the warmth of my bed, I wonder how it feels to know that at any second you could be dead. I wonder how I would handle it if I were in their place. What if my hair was black instead of blonde? What if the blood in my veins would be Palestinian one? I would know what it feels like to face the end of a gun. I would wake up to the sound of an explosive bomb. I would sit in the ruin of a place I once called home and pray to God for them to leave us alone. I would scream and cry for one. Reports are coming out that the state of
Bastard.
Hello everybody, Akam Jirtani. It's already Monday and guess what? We're back to work. So I'm about to attend the 12th Aviation Stakeholders Convention, which is organized by African Airlines Association and Development Partners. So the event is hosted by the Ethiopian Airlines Group and it is being held, under the theme Beyond Connecting African Aviation. And this convention is expected, to attract more than 500 high-profile delegates from the aviation industry in Africa, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and North America. So the convention is said to be the industry's ideal platform to drive growth opportunities and deliberate on the developments of African aviation industry and shape its future. So yeah, it is actually a huge event, but for some case I had to go back home and I didn't stay for long. Yeah. That's it as far as you saw. Thank you for watching. Nagahati. Hello everybody. Akam Jirtani. It's already Monday. Any form of hijab is a symbol of modesty, identity, or often a personal expression of religious commitment. Hijab holds different meanings for the person who's wearing it. You cannot force and tell someone to remove or get rid of their identity.
ያለንበት ዘመን እጅግ በጣም ይገርማል። ለሴት ልጅ ከመሸፋፈን ይልቅ መገላለጥን ይመክራል። ወዳጄ በዚህም ገባህ በዚህ ሴት ልጅ ጭንቅላቷን መሸፈኗ ጭቆና ሳይሆን መብቷ ነው። ኒቃቧንም ትለብሳለች፣ ትምህርቷንም ትማራለች።
Any form of hijab, the long-standing different kind of the Oh my God. Following an intensive renovation, Africa Hall, where the Charter of the Organization of African Unity was signed, has been inaugurated in the presence of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, and the African Union Commission Chairperson Moussa Faki Mohamed, and other high-level officials, and also member states of the AU and the UN. To all my wonderful listeners, after many incredible moments together, it is time to say a final goodbye. Thank you for your support, for always staying tuned, and for being part of this journey. Though this is the end of Candid Vibes on air, I'll be here with another show, but different timing and also different days. Goodbye and take care. To all my...
You're going to realize it.
As you are a business entrepreneur, the reports spread by certain media outlets, including Egypt Independent, the joint opening session of the House of People's Representatives and the House of Federation for the year 2024 to 2025 fiscal year is being held today in the presence of different officials, religious leaders, leaders of opposition political parties, and other invited guests, including ambassadors. The joint session marks the beginning of the fourth year of the tenure of both houses and is expected to be a productive and impactful event for the nation. Ambassador Taye Asqasallasi has been elected as the new president of Ethiopia. The joint opening session, Irrecha, the symbol of love and unity. It is where the culture of Oromo is explored. The Thanksgiving Day by the Oromo community witnesses a large number of Oromo people coming together to thank God for the blessings and the mercies they have received throughout the previous year. Baga ayana Irrechatin isiningahi. Irrecha, the